everybody, today we're in Texas and the waves are pretty good out there. Look at them. Look at the waves out there. Hurricane Grace just hit Mexico and that's why we have big waves today, so we're gonna go surfing. Woo!
What happened?
That was a bomb, alright.
That was a bomb? Did you wipe out?
Yeah.
You did? Okay, try it again.
What you doing?
Making oatmeal and blues for the babies on their first day of school.
What you guys eating?
Oaties and blues.
Oats and blues? What are you guys doing today?
We're going to first day to school.
You going to school?
Mm-hmm.
First day of school? Ever?
Yeah.
Are you
We're gonna vlog it on the way there.
Are you pumped?
But I'm actually a little afraid because this is my first day.
Yeah.
Never been to a school before.
Yeah, but you're excited, huh?
I've seen Fernando go to school, so hopefully he has fun.
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Haven't even had a coffee yet.
Cappuccino! I haven't had a good coffee yet.
What?
You guys got lunch boxes?
Yeah,
Woo!
look. And I got Gwenny, and this is my backpack.
Nice.
Box.
Moshe, where's your backpack? Oh, I love it. Is it a rocket ship?
Yeah, Moshe loves quilties. Like rocket ships.
Yeah.
That's the one he picked out, so hopefully we do.
Let me see
good at
yours.
school. Okay. That's the one.
Big boy.
Mine is gray. And it's bigger than my brother's because Moshe's is super
You got more
dark.
work to do.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna take a picture.
Moshe, I know we can do this.
Okay, now look at
Look
Mama
at
and
Mama.
smile. Smile. Cute. It's okay. Here. Okay, set your stuff down again.
Hold your signs.
And then just one more picture.
Okay, look at Mama and Dada. Look at Daddy. Moshe, look at Daddy. Cute.
Okay, good job, you guys. The best. Okay. Mama, take your time.
You excited?
Yes. That's the thing
We gotta
What are we
drive.
doing?
Mama's hot. I don't know. I want coffee.
This is our first time without kids, pretty much.
What do we do with ourselves?
In 6 years.
What do we do with ourselves?
What are we doing?
Like, it's so hot here. Oh my gosh.
I'm just hot because I'm nervous. Are you nervous?
I'm not nervous. Yeah, I'm very nervous about my children.
Are you anxious?
I hope they're not like terrorizing the place.
They're not. They're
Everybody
good.
always tells me that they're great.
They're good.
You know, but I'm just like, they've never been away for this long of a chunk of time, and I'm.
And we're
like,
still outside the school. We're still outside the school,
Like,
by the way.
Maybe we'll just stay parked here for the whole day.
We'll just have a picnic on
Just
the
in
grass
case.
right there
Yeah.
and just wait.
All right, let's go get coffee. Let's do it.
Oh my
I need
gosh.
deodorant. Ew. I put on deodorant this morning.
It's
I'm
bad.
smelling great.
It's bad. It's just, it was hotter in there than I expected.
It was really hot.
And I didn't shower this morning, so.
Gross.
And it's Texas.
It's
It's
Texas.
85% humidity and it's 92 degrees and at 10 in the morning. What do you expect?
Okay.
Okay.
My mom probably wants us to stop talking about this now. The BO part.
Okay, for the sake of the viewers, we'll stop talking about it. All right, let's go get coffee, I guess.
And I'm gonna.
I guess we are kind of already on the side of town.
Yeah, we're already on this side of town.
Kind of.
I'm gonna.
We're never west or east of 61st. Okay, well, it's been a couple hours. Deidre and I went shopping.
For groceries.
Well, we needed gas, so then we got gas, and then we went shopping.
Because we were at the grocery store.
Yeah, because we got gas at the grocery store, and so it's like we were like, well, we're hungry, and when we go home, we're gonna be like, why didn't we just get food at the store? Because we were at the store. So then we went shopping, and it's just been too long since we've had kids around, not had kids around us.
Yes.
So we acted like we were 19-year-old, like newlyweds, basically. It was a mess, you know, all day.
Yeah, so if you're wondering, like, how our first day of being away from the kids was, we basically just annoyed the crap out of each other. Like, that's just what happened.
What did I keep saying at home? I kept saying...
Something that I say, like
Oh, no,
a
I
phrase
was saying, I understand that, but something teacher says all the time.
gosh.
And then continues. Like if I'm frustrated by something, and she'll go, I understand that, but blah 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 blah. So everything she said, I was saying the same thing over and over.
And I was praying, my prayers during that time were like, Lord, I just need a break from my husband.
So, anyways, but Deidre pulled the GoPro out because we're going to pick up the kids, and I just was telling her privately how blessed we feel right now in this season of our lives, where it's like we were living out of a trailer, like we were the lowest of low before we got here to Galveston, and
Emotionally
and all that stuff, and even the state of the world around us. But like after heeding the call to come to Galveston and coming down here, I was just like, we just been feeling like so much blessing poured out over us. Like we had this huge apartment, we have this church, we have church family elsewhere, we have you know, wonderful boss. I have wonderful bosses and making great relationships. You know, we live so close to the beach. The kids have the beach. They're in school now. You know, no mask mandates. Like everything about our life right now is like just feeling a moment of gratitude is what the teacher called it. So
yeah. The only thing, so I don't want to rain on your parade, your gratitude parade, but I have never been like in a place that's annoyed me so much. No, that's not real. This is great, but what I mean is there's these bugs, okay?
oh, those? That's what you're complaining about?
There's these bugs. I don't know what they are.
We still don't know what they are.
Are they cicadas? Are they June bugs?
They sound
What
kind of
are
like
they?
cicadas, but they're super loud.
They're scream all day. Like I don't understand it.
It's like you already got the hum of everybody's AC unit all summer. You know, everybody's trying to keep their house cool. And then on top of that, it's
like all the time, and like hundreds of them. So I don't know.
no, it's crazy. They're loud because I've heard one of them stop and it's literally silent.
Yeah.
I think it's just one of them.
Oh my.
I think they're just really loud.
They're so loud.
Because I've heard them stop, and it's not like they all get that coordinated where they all stop at the same time.
I don't know. I mean, I love it because it's different, you know. But I'm just like, what are these bugs?
I like
What
it.
are
I
they
think it
doing?
adds to the tropical vibe.
Yeah, you feel like you're actually in a jungle because there's bugs screaming on the top of their lungs. But there's that, and then also I'm pregnant during this. It's like,
It's 95.
yeah. So
Okay, we're picking up the kids.
I know we're picking up the kids, so that's our next stop.
Hey, how was your day? Come here. How was your day?
It was pretty awesome.
Moshe, how was your day?
Stop!
So good?
Bye.